Very gorgeous and drop dead gorgeous. That's the only one word which comes into my mind right now after seeing her beautiful and enchanting avatar. See, I'm short of words. Sukeerti Khanpal, exclusively on Bollywood Now. Welcome to Bollywood Now. And how does you maintain this image of yours, yeah?
Well, I don't do anything much to maintain the image, but I just dress up classy. That's the only one word that I know and I stick to it.
I
So
mean, look at yourself in calendar. You're looking absolutely beautiful. So, what magic you did, yeah?
I just didn't do anything. I think I could just got myself a very nice dress, and I think it's been shot beautifully. And yeah, I think the entire ambience and the angle probably really works well for me.
How was the entire experience in Malaysia?
Well, actually, I couldn't go to Malaysia. This is a shot in Western. That's the truth of it. There was an experience attached because I couldn't go because my passport expired, and there was a lot of drama behind that. So there was a lot of drama attached to the picture, but it's ultimately come out well and is gelling with the entire calendar. So it
Well,
was
thank you for revealing the mystery that you were not in Malaysia and still you managed to, soar the temperature high of the calendar this year. So, how does it feel to be on calendar?
feels very well, very good because it's been 3 years and a lot of people keep getting changed. But I've been there from the first year to the third year, and I know I'm going to be there next year as well. So it's basically a compliment because if you can keep up to the times and if you're still stylish and if you're still worth it, it's a really huge compliment.
Christmas and New Year is around the corner, so some special plans.
Yes, I do plan to party with my friends on Christmas, and New Year's will be with my family. So no special plans, but I don't know where I'd be partying.
Any New Year resolutions you made this year?
Yes, that I will shop for lesser shoes now. I have so many shoes. I just bought 3 pairs in the last 3 days, and really beautiful ones, and they burned a hole in my pocket. So I'm planning to buy lesser shoes this year.
She is now revealing her fantasy for shoes on Bollywood Now. I mean, she's a shopper freak, right? Am I right?
Absolutely. I just bought a beautiful pair of shoes from Steve Madden, 2 of them, and then 1 from Aldo. And now I saw Gucci shoes, so it's going a little berserk. So I really want to resolve to buy lesser shoes this year.
One message to all my viewers.
To all the viewers of Bollywood Now, keep watching us. Thank you for watching me and for watching the calendar. Keep watching us. Thank you very much. Here's wishing all the viewers of Bollywood Now a Merry Christmas and a very, very Happy New Year. Thank you.
Well, this was Drop Dead Gorgeous Sukeerti Khanpal in Mumbai with cameraman Paresh Rawat. This is Rohit Bhatnagar for Bollywood Now.
Hi, this is Sukeerti Khanpal and keep watching Bollywood Now.